discover the beauty and richness of the Urdu language, a gateway to diverse cultures and histories. Originating from the Turkish and Persian tongues, Urdu has evolved through centuries into a poetic symphony. More than just a language, Urdu embodies an identity bridging communities across South Asia. Urdu literature offers a treasure trove of poetry and prose, enriching the minds of readers worldwide. The soulful verses of Urdu poetry express profound emotions and universal truths. Today, Urdu thrives in music, cinema, and digital media, connecting the old with the new. Embrace the eloquence of Urdu. Dive into its verses, its trees, and its soul. Start today.